is Becca from Empowering Pumps and Equipment. I'm very excited to have Stephen Bowen with AW Chesterton Company with us. Stephen, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, Becca. Hi, everybody. As Becca said, my name is Stephen Bullen. I'm the Global Product Line Director for Mechanical Seals and Equipment Monitoring Solutions at Chesterton in Groveland, Massachusetts.
Well, I'm very excited to have you here and talk all about TPS. So, September is a huge month for the oil and gas industry and also chemical, petrochemical industries. How would you say that AW Chesterton really makes a difference in these industries?
So AW Chesterton is a company with many different product lines. So what we really offer is different solutions for different equipment, whether that be pumps, valves, needs for gasketing, a whole array of products, really. 7 product lines is what Chesterton encompasses. As I said, I'm responsible for the mechanical seals and the equipment monitoring. So like many other industries, equipment monitoring is becoming very much a need. Certainly coming out of the recent pandemic and things, people are realizing that, the ability to monitor equipment remotely, monitor equipment off-site, and even get alerts and alarms based on certain process and equipment conditions is becoming more important to them. And that's something that Chesterton has focused on and has developed and has many units deployed in the industries that you mentioned, Becca.
Yeah, and I agree. Definitely being able to see what your equipment is doing and making sure that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing is very important.
Yes, absolutely.
Let's talk about the people in this space. What value are we really able to offer these maintenance and reliability professionals as well as engineers?
So again, what we're seeing, and certainly the calendar towards the end of the year has become very busy with a need for training, a need for education, and whether that is refreshers for people that have not had the ability to attend a training in the past couple of years, or whether that's people new to the industry looking to pick up on best practice, do's and don'ts, and better understand the pumps and the equipment and the systems that they are working with and interacting with. That is also a Chesterton strength, and that's what we offer. And actually, in association with the upcoming TPS and the Fluid Sealing Association, myself and some colleagues from the industry are actually presenting the mechanical seal school at the upcoming Turbo Pump Symposium. So that'll be another chance to ask some questions and get some answers for the people attending that.
That's awesome. And thank you for sharing that, because this is important for people to know about and to be able to just learn from you guys.
Sure.
Why don't you tell me about a product, service, or technology that is important for these professionals to know about and utilize?
I think within the industry, mechanical seals, they're all very developed by many of the major manufacturers. And really what Chesterton has now started to focus on is simplification of those mechanical seals and those support systems. So what we're really looking towards is making the maintenance professional's life a little easier, removing the number of touch points in a system, whether that's a mechanical sealing system, whether that's a valve sealing system, whether that's even equipment repair. So what we've recently done is expand our equipment repair offering to now be able to also offer that service directly in the Houston area as well. So we're just focusing on reducing the number of touch points, reducing the amount of maintenance activity that needs to be carried out on a day-by-day basis to allow those professionals to focus on the planned and preventative things that they need to be doing to keep the equipment running.
Yeah, and I'm sure they definitely appreciate that, making their lives, easier. And
absolutely,
they have a lot on their plate, as maintenance reliability professionals, and knowing that there's going to be something in place that's going to make things easier for them is very important.
Absolutely.
So Stephen, why don't you tell people the best way to connect with you and the company?
So obviously you can visit www.chesterton.com and reach us on the website. We have LinkedIn. AW Chesterton Company is the LinkedIn address. As I mentioned, we're going to be at the Turbo Pump Symposium, not only supporting the symposium and the trainings there, but also with a booth and with some hands-on experience that people can take advantage of as well. So you can find us at Turbo Pump. We're on the main aisle, booth 2327. So by all means, stop by, say hi, ask questions, and why not take part in a demonstration or a hands-on challenge to learn more about what we do to make life easier?
Absolutely. And thank you so much for your time. And yes, if you are attending TPS, you need to make sure to stop by and say hello to them or check out their mechanical seals training.
Perfect. Thanks,
Thanks.
Becca.